DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Okay, you know what? We're going to do a field test. So, this is the Warre hive I used to have here. And it got infested by moths and shit. So, I took it all apart and there's pieces of it everywhere. But let's see how this thing works. So I'm going to take this off. And put a box on here. And by itself, this weighs about, I don't know, maybe 20 pounds. So let's put it together. Hook this on here. This goes over here. Perlita, what are you doing, Perlita? Are you being a good girl? Look at you. You're such a good girl. She's such a good girl. She protects me when I go out running. Ah, Perlita. So, this will be up about there. And I think she's in heat. Look at her. Perlita, yes, we're trying out a bee box. And I'll slide it in here. Pretend there's a big hive here. Put another box on. Pretend this is a beehive. And you slide it in. That seems to work pretty good. Now what I found out is, I think I can put these braces out a little bit. They can go out to about there. To there. What do you think? What do you think, Perlita? Do you think that'll work? Do you? Do you think that'll work? Perlita. Dogs like it when you do this to them. Like pulling their jowls. Pull on their jowls, yeah. She's such a good girl. But, so, the cable will pull up and lift the box. Of course, it wants to tilt real bad because there's no braces. But I'm going to call that a win. So far, anyway. I need to mark where I can actually put braces. I can put braces all the way out to here. Actually, even further. Right to there. Anyway, this is a slab I poured. And, yeah, baby. I think that might work. Do you think it'll work, Perlita? Do you think it'll work? Do you think it will work or not? Do you think it will work? Alright. So back to the shop. Look at her go. She's crazy, dog. I think she's in heat. Are you in heat? Do you want big dick in you? Huh? Don't look at me. I'm not a dog. I don't have a tail. Alright, let's put it back in the shop and finish this baby. Okay, I got some bed frames over here. Pieces, 1 inch. Pretty strong. Gotta clean them up a little bit. And let's see what we can do. Okay, measuring these braces. So I was thinking 16, but to double check, we got 21 to the top of that, and that's about 5 inches. So 21 minus 5.5 to there. See if 16 will work. 16 will work, kids. So we can go to 16 and still have room for the slider up above. I'm getting bit by mosquitoes again. Hate them. That blows their wings off. Okay, I cut these. So they're going to go like that and like that. Ow, still hot. So I just need to, I don't know, I'm just going to grind a little bit off of these to make them be more copacetic. I'm starting a fire here because of my mosquito treatment. And I'm telling you, some of this shit really catches on fire easy. Okay, but I think that's gonna work. So let me do a little bit of grinding here on this one, and same thing on this one. And we'll do that. Alright, here we go again. So that's better. I can weld that, and I can weld this. I don't need to do anything. Seems like it's longer over here. Why is that? 4-4. Why is this stick? Oh, that's 4-4. Why is this taller? They're both the same length. What the fuck, over? That's really weird. I don't like it when shit like that happens. These should be the same height. And if they're the same height, they should be the same distance. That's like 5. This is 4 3/4. Unless I didn't make this square, but I think I did. Very weird. Let's make it 4 exactly. If this is 4 exactly, 4 exactly, 4, 4, then these should be the same. Well, they are. Alright. I don't know what I was doing, but that's good. It's just doesn't look right. I don't know why. But I'm gonna go with it. Seems like this one's more this way, but maybe it's just an optical illusion. Alright, well, Let's weld it. Screw it. Okay. Okay, mosquitoes are eating me alive, but this thing is welded. I'm going to clean it up a little bit, but hey, you know what? It is strong now. It ain't moving an inch. So, next thing will be a live test. I still say that looks weird. I don't know why. Okay, that's it for now. Okay, I found this. This is a tow hook for cars. A lot of new cars have them. They have a place where you can screw this in so you can tow the car. But I think that'll work fine right there. And then this will hook in, and that'll give enough room to crank here. So let's weld this on. Okay, that seems pretty strong and hot. Alright, we're ready for a live test, for a weight test. See how this thing actually lifts weight. So let's set that up. Hey, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you want. We got a lot of good stuff coming. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Here's just a few examples of stocks that DDAmanda found. Here you got a 5-factor scan alert. Next day she's up 59%. Now all this is on the right side here is just 200 days worth of trading data. You have your date, your dollars traded, the price it closed at, this factor that's proprietary to the program. This is how we find these. The volume, the low of the day, high of the day open, and then percentage up or percentage down. LVGI, 200-day low scan alert, and look at this drag ratio maxed out, up 50% and then 75%. IGEX, 200-day low scan alert, 7-factor, Next day up 47%. Again, another 200-day low, scan alert, up the next day 106%. These are easy to find with our scanner. So if you want to make money trading stocks, DDAmanda is your answer.